So you may have seen that there's a new viral trend going around where people are posting caricatures of themselves based on what ChatGPT or their chosen AI knows about them. Now, they're taking a bit of a risk sometimes because you never know what's going to come out. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this using my specially crafted prompt that you can get access to for free below this video. And then how you can take that, you can edit the details that are in there, you can perfect it, but then you can turn it into a video. So an animated caricature video of yourself. Let's get stuck in. So this is really simple. And what I've done is I've been working with ChatGPT to craft the perfect prompt for this so that you can just go ahead and copy this and get amazing results straight out the gate. Now, this particular prompt is yours to copy and paste inside my special document that you can get here completely free. And this also covers my photo to caricature training and prompts that I've done previously. So you can create these incredible images. There's also the image background replacement training where I show you how to change the background of your image. There's the new action toys prompts. So you can turn yourself into a detectorist, golfer, gardener, motorbike enthusiast, runner, and then the prompt that we've got here today. So in order to get your hands on this document with all of this information and all of these prompts, all you need to do is click on the link below this video and you'll get free access. All right, so first of all, you need to log into your ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude AI or Copilot, whichever AI you use the most, and most importantly, the one that you chat with the most and ask questions, and the one that is going to have a decent idea about you and what you're all about so that you can get the best results. Now, if we take a look at what we've got here, I actually quite like this. It is quite funny because it's captured quite a lot about me, and it's also captured a lot of things that maybe it's picked up along the way. The piano is in the background and the filing cabinet is in the background because that's from the original image here, as you can see. It's also picked up the guitar. Yes, I play guitar. Yes, I like beer. I like making films, writing scripts for my videos. I like robots and spaceships and yeah, you know, all that kind of stuff. So it's captured all of that. And this is the sort of thing that people are doing, and it's just going to be fun for you to do. It can be just you, it can be you and your family, but use an image that you like and an image that's fairly clear and, you know, well presented, and use the AI that you use all the time to ask questions so it can learn about you. So as I said, that could be Gemini, it could be Claude, whichever one that is. In this instance, it's ChatGPT. Now here's a second version that I did, and this is portrait rather than landscape. Now there's a couple of things here. It shows here on this image Celtic. I have no clue why. We've got a golf bag here with clubs, no idea why. I don't play chess. Yes, I've got cameras. I don't smoke. Don't really drink much of whatever that is, whiskey. So I'm a bit confused as to how it got all of this information. It says a personalised tribute to British icons. There's Stonehenge there, and there's a British warplane. Not really sure, but look, you can edit this kind of stuff, right? So you can get the result that you want. So I would say thanks very much for the image, which I really like the look of. There are a few things though. I'm not a Celtic fan, although you wouldn't know that, but I've never told you that I am. I'm actually a West Ham fan, so please include that. I don't play golf. I don't really know much about Stonehenge. I don't play chess. I don't smoke a cigar, although I might if I won the lottery. Can you deep dive and think about the conversations that we've had to put these things right, please? Now, I always like to use the voice to text because it's such an easy way to get ChatGPT's information to it, and it does a really good job. A little tip you can use is that this, if you ever want to write something long, you can just use this little tool here on ChatGPT to generate scripts and word, like any text document that you're creating, and it will do a really good job because it does all of the formatting, all of the grammar and everything, and it pretty much gets it right. So we're just going to pop that in there and see what it comes up with. Well, okay. I don't know why all of a sudden there are all these references to Doctor Who. We've got a TARDIS here, and we've got a Dalek here. I don't know that I've ever mentioned Doctor Who to ChatGPT. It's a bit scary, actually, if I haven't. I used to love Doctor Who when I was a kid, and we've got the West Ham United up here. But this was just to show you that you can change this any way you want. And the easiest way to work with ChatGPT or any AI really these days is just to have a conversation with it. And that's why I like this little microphone here, because it does give you the ability to just talk into your microphone without having to type. And that makes things a lot easier. Now, I said that we were going to do something special with these images. And what we're going to do is we are going to turn them into videos using Grok. So when you come to Grok, you need to log in. I'm logged in and I'm on a free account. Click on Imagine and you'll see down here it says video. So I'm going to paste in the image that we've got. We could do this one. So copy this image and then just paste it in here, and that's going to automatically start a video. Now, you don't get any control over what this video is going to do or say when you do this, because as soon as you paste it in, it starts generating it. But it's free, so who are we to complain? So here we have the video.
Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm thrilled to share some exciting updates on the project. Cheers to you all.
I don't know how I was able to say cheers to you all with a beer in my mouth, but that is a great way to animate it. And you know, this is going to be more of a scroll stopping video if you want to put it onto socials and that kind of stuff. But of course, you don't always have to do this of yourself. It could be of any person, any avatar that you decided to create. And it's a fun way to generate something about yourself. Now, one of the things that you can do is, because you've got this video now, is if you look, we've got all these different images. So you can see we could just stop it at any of these and have a load of different images that we could use in our socials, all right, if we wanted to. Now, there is another thing, and that is if we come over to this one that I did.
Hello creators, AI is
You'll notice there that as this hand came out, the thumb was left behind. So what I would do is, I'm going to see if this works. Now, I've never done this before, but we're going to see at the point that the thumb is left behind, which is about there. If I go to here and go edit image, right, so I thought it might stop it where the thumb was, but it didn't, so that didn't work. But I'm going to try something anyway. So let's say change the cup to a glass of wine. Yeah, that worked perfectly. Right, so make my eyes more blue and lighter, put a karate suit behind me with a black belt hanging up, put a pepperoni pizza on the desk in front of me, and I should say change the cup of coffee for a glass of, let's say, white wine. Not bad. So we've got a glass of white wine, we've got lighter, and they're not silly blue, so they are actually closer to my real color. Lighter blue eyes, got the pepperoni pizza, we've got the karate suit in the background. Yep, let's go and make video. All right, so we've got the video.
Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. This is my perfect setup. Pizza, beer, and all my geeky treasures. This is paradise.
So I'm going to download that video, and then I'm going to click here.
Hello creators, AI is revolutionizing how we make content. The tools are here. Let's build the future together.
So it creates a new video. It's free, it's fun, it's great. I hope you enjoyed that. I would love you to comment below and let me know how it came out for you and what you found interesting about the image that it created. Let me know in the comments below. Also, I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel. That helps me to help you. And finally, I'd like to invite you to my free school community. It's called Victorable, and in there I teach people how to make a consistent and reliable recurring income doing something that they love. It's free to join, so you've got nothing to lose. So there's a couple links below this video. The first link is going to get you access to my full document with all the prompts and all the caricatures and all the 3D stuff that I teach for free. And then also my free school community where I can teach you how to make money online. So go ahead and do that now, and I'll see you on the inside. All the best.